Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tuna tasty. To begin, always choose high-quality canned tuna, ideally packed in olive oil, as it offers a richer flavor base. Make sure to drain away any excess liquid very thoroughly. This prevents a watery mix and ensures a better texture. Next, introduce a bright element with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice or a splash of apple cider vinegar. Finally, finely chop and stir in about 1 tablespoon of fresh herbs like parsley or chives for a fragrant lift. Now, let's add some delightful creaminess and crunch. For a rich texture, combine your tuna with 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, a dollop of Greek yogurt, or 1/4 of a mashed avocado. To add a satisfying bite, finely chop about 1/4 cup of celery, red onion, or sweet pickles. Enhance the flavor profile with 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard or a few dashes of your favorite hot sauce. Finish by seasoning with salt, black pepper, and a pinch of garlic powder to taste. Ready to explore some exciting global flavors? For a Mediterranean twist, mix in 2 tablespoons of chopped Kalamata olives, 1 teaspoon of capers, and a few sun-dried tomatoes. If you prefer an Asian-inspired profile, try adding 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil, and a pinch of grated fresh ginger. You can also introduce a smoky depth with 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika. For added substance, consider folding in 1 finely chopped hard-boiled egg. Finally, let's talk about how to enjoy your delicious, enhanced tuna. It's fantastic served simply on 2 slices of toasted bread, a handful of crackers, or in crisp lettuce wraps for a lighter option. You can also use it as a flavorful filling for hollowed-out bell peppers, ripe tomatoes, or avocado halves. For a warm meal, create a quick tuna melt by topping it with a slice of cheese and broiling until golden brown. Garnish with fresh herbs for a beautiful presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.